Welcome this video title Transforming Your Outdoor Space with Paglo Patio idea a simple gas to create a streaming retreat introducing the allure of a well designed outdoor space is undeniable. A patio with its charming combination of open air structure and cozy ambience can transforming your backyard into a hub of relax and entertainment. The best part, you do not need to break the bank to achieve in this. Yes, we will explore Paglo Patio idea that and simple yard stream allowing you to create a retreat, reflect your style and enhance your outdoor living experience. Understanding the base of Paglo Patio before drawing into the project, it's essential to grasp the basic of Paglo and her role in outdoor space. A Paglo is a structure consist of post or below the supported beam and an open letter provide partial salty architecture, interior and a scene of inclusion. Pagalo patio are a style added often a balance between shade and sunlight make theme perfect of various outdoor activities. Choose the right location. Select the ideal location of your polo patio is grand of it functional and aesthetic appear. Consider the nature element such as sunlight and wind to demand the best organic and think about the promise to your house as a well placed bungalow can create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor space, material and tool. To embark on your Pergola Patio project, gather the needed material and tool. Common material in combo for trading look or redwood of the frame wide. Other like wood can provide a low main interest. You have a pairing tool such as a seed level and top a string line. The processing classic Pablo design for a timeless and element look. Considered a classic Pablo design start by install four provide post to supporting structure. Connect that post with Colombo create a scored shape. This design allowing of simple customize of the choose of wood stem to the decoration elements. You are incorporating model minimalized patio, Paglo patio. If your style learn toward modern aesthetic, minimalist Paglo design made way the perfect fifth other of sleep line and simple geometric shape use material like element of sleep of a contemporary forts. This